I'm James Armstrong. I'm the owner of James Armstrong Plumbing, and we service the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. We're a full-service company. I've always said that we got to be more than just a plumber. You know, we have to be the representative of the company all the way through. This company, Monday through Friday, belongs to this Metroplex. If they need us, we're there. What we provide is moments where at 8 o'clock at night, I'm out at their house trying to help them fix their problem. I've been in the position where I didn't have hot water before, and I know how it is. So I understand the urgency of needing the hot water, and so where I provide the difference, I guess, is in the trying to make sure that they've got what they need as far as plumbing goes. They can depend on me to show up. I'm gonna show up. And generally, we're gonna do it the same day. That's really unheard of in the industry, but we do have that ability at this time to do that. Because like I say, my mission is to provide them quality plumbing that's done expediently and worry-free. If you wanna know more about us, you can reach us at jamesarmstrongplumbing.com, or you can give us a call at 214-918-6109.